we are back at Really Useful Boxes in Leeds, but today we're going to be taking a look at recycling. It's really important to the company, and not only do they recycle here in the factory, but they also provide materials for the open market as well. We're going to be taking a look at all of that today. So all the boxes for recycling and anything that needs recycling is stored outside here, and as you can see there's quite a lot. But here's an interesting fact. Now, not all boxes are made perfect, but every perfect box gets sent out to the stores. So those that aren't perfect, for many different reasons, some are broken, some might have been heated too much. This is interesting because this is called purging. You'll know that Really Useful boxes have different coloured boxes. So, for example, these were black boxes, but then they were starting to compress and make the clear. So there is an element of purging that needs to go on to get the plastic from black into clear. So these don't end up on the shelf. You can see there's little elements of black and grey in here. These, alongside the broken ones and the other unwanted ones, will go into the recycled centre, and that's what we're going to take a look at. And all of these as well. Interesting. All of these. It's a lot. This is where the recycling happens. So whether it's a broken box like this or something that's not perfect, or even the purging process that we spoke about outside, it all ends up here. So all of the different colour boxes come here. Now it is very noisy. There's a lot going on behind me. There are two machines. One is a shredder and the other is a grinder. So let's go and see how these go through the process. So up they go onto the grinder and we wave them goodbye. That's the last time we're going to see them in that form. So from the shredder into the grinder into these big bags. And this is what it comes out like. And as you can see there's bits of blue in it, bits of purple and bits of clear. These are going to be made into a darker colour because the blue's in there, and these are going to be made into handles. Now, not all the ground down plastic is used here in the factory for recycling. As you can see here, there are bags and bags and bags of recycled plastic, all ground down. This is now available to the open market. So this gets sold out to other companies who are going to use this in their recycling process, therefore saving the environment. It's not going into landfill, and it continues its journey into whatever it's going to be. So this is the story so far. The imperfect boxes are taken from the production line. They're stored outside. They're then brought inside to the recycling process. This is where they're shredded into smaller pieces and then into the fine grinder. And that's when they get recycled into the handles that you guys open all the time on your Really Useful boxes. But there's more to recycling here at the factory. And as you can see, there's a lot of handles here that have been recycled, but that's not all the recycling here in the factory. Like at home, you've got your recycling bins. We have recycling bins here in the factory. For bags, for example, they're going to get recycled. Bits of plastic, bits of tape, that's in this bin, that's going to be recycled. And in here, we've got cardboard boxes, just like you guys at home have. And these are going to be recycled as well. And we're going to see how those processes happen, so come with me. So the recycling then comes outside in bins like this. Hello, Sue.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Right, lot of cardboard here. What happens to it?
We bring the cardboard out, take it to the recycling container. We open the door, put the cardboard into the filling arm, close the door and then press the button and it compacts it. It lights up when it's full and then we get in contact with the recycling company. They take the full skip away and give us a fresh skip to restart the process again.
Wow, a lot of cardboard gets processed. Shall we start?
Yes, thank you.
Come on then. Just about here, Sue? Okie dokie. Let's see the process of how this goes in. Off you go, Sue. Shall I hand it to you?
Thank you.
Always like to be helpful. There you go. Does it matter? I guess it doesn't matter how big or how small it is, it just all goes in like this. There you go, there's a big bit. So that's full.
That's full now. Would you like Janice to press the start
I would
button?
love to press the button, Sue. Which one is it?
Just this one
Are
here.
you sure? Okay,
Yes.
are you ready? 3, 2, 1, recycle. And in much the same way as the cardboard was compressed, the plastic goes through the same process. So imagine all of these going into a landfill. It doesn't happen here at Really Useful Boxes. It's all about the environment and it's all about recycling. So all of this goes in here and this gets compressed just like the cardboard boxes and then it gets recycled. Now you know the blue handles are made from recycled plastic here in the factory, from boxes that didn't make it to the shelves. Well, if you've got the box with the green handle, the Dove Grey, they're 100% recycled. And they're made also here in the factory from the injection moulded machines that you can see behind me. So that's the responsible recycling that happens right here in the factories. One more thing, they actually recycle the air to make the factory run more efficiently. And that is really useful recycling with really useful boxes.